All right, welcome in here on WTOL 11. Our severe weather coverage does continue with severe thunderstorm warnings still continue to blanket much of northwest Ohio. And we're going to give you the information you need to know until 4 a.m. Severe thunderstorm warning. It is in effect for Hancock County. That includes Findlay up into Wood County, all of Wood County, and all of Lucas County. You are under a severe thunderstorm warning until 4 a.m. That does include western parts of Ottawa, Sandusky, and Seneca County. Let's get right into the mix of this one. Gusty winds going to be the big threat with this. Directly over the Toledo Metro as we speak right now. Some very heavy downpours. Gusty winds to 60 miles per hour will be a possibility with some of these storms as they march on off to the east very rapidly. Let me put the time of arrival out there. Headed into downtown Toledo. Boys, we speak right now. The heavier downpours just beginning to pick up into the downtown Metro. Going to be headed east of Toledo. Put the time out there at 3:42, so that is about 5 minutes from now. Gusty winds will be headed east of Toledo over toward Oregon and Walbridge, eventually Millbury at 3:51, and then out toward Greytown right after 4 a.m. The threat of gusty winds and heavier downpours is going to be shifting on off to the east. There's vivid thunder and lightning occurring across the Toledo Metro. 37 lightning strikes in about a 10-minute period, so a couple dozen or several dozen lightning strikes are reported here across Lucas and Wood County. We're going to slice right on through this storm. Now, what this shows me when we analyze this storm, this is a tall enough storm, or at least strong enough to be creating some wind damage or some gusty winds across the Toledo Metro. Also, the heavier downpours. Now, we're going to switch on over to another source of graphics here, and we're going to show you first alert Doppler radar. Wider perspective on this one shows a squall line that is now working through northwest Ohio. Extends from Lucas County all the way down through Putnam County. Severe thunderstorm warnings across the leading edge of this due to the threat of gusty winds. So the information will stay in place till 4 a.m. A severe thunderstorm warning does include Hancock, Lucas, Seneca, and Wood counties. And I expect gusty winds potentially to 60 miles per hour with these particular storms. Let's wipe this off and give you some times of arrival, especially on the southern edge or southern flank of this storm as it works across Putnam County right over Ottawa as we speak right now. Let's go from Bowling Green all the way down toward Ottawa. These are racing to the east around 60 to 65 miles per hour. So we'll put that out there, including Findlay. I expect Bowling Green 3:42. Now, I did give you an update here on WTOL 11 just about 20 minutes ago. The timing in Bowling Green for the gusty winds has not changed. It's still at 3:42. Macomb at 3:49. North Baltimore 3:51. And Findlay, I'm going to target this a little bit closer to 4 a.m. It will cross east of Findlay, headed toward Arcadia at 4:03, and then out toward Terra Community College. That will be out there in Sandusky County right around 4:08. I expect that to be moving on in. The northern extent of this particular squall line that does extend into northern Wood County, moving through Perrysburg and Toledo. We're getting really heavy downpours that are moving through the metro. The potential is some damaging winds, which could create some wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour. This is going to be moving to the east again very rapidly, like the other line of storms. Going to be moving to the east right around 55 to 60 miles per hour. Let's put that out there. Moving through Perrysburg as we speak right now, so right on at 3:41. Eventually Millbury, Clay Center, down towards Greytown just after 4 a.m. This is going to be moving through. We have several updates currently on the First Alert Weather app, updates as well on social media, Facebook and Twitter. We're keeping you covered on this one, but I do expect severe thunderstorm warnings are going to remain in place through 4 a.m., likely to see extensions to these severe thunderstorm warnings as this line of storms races to the east at about 60 miles per hour, and a good chance that by the time we get toward 6 a.m., all these storms will be completely out of the picture. We're going to continue to keep you updated. Stick with WTOL 11 for the latest.